Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Pramutya Galuh Gayatri with NPM 2341116 from Management Class 23C. Here I want to discuss the 5 material from the Business Mathematics course, namely about the effect of taxes and subsidies on market balance. Let's go straight to the first topic, namely understanding tax. Taxes are people's contributions to the state treasury based on the law, which can be forced without receiving immediate reciprocal service indicated, and which are used to pay general expenses. There are types of taxes including income tax or PPH, land and building tax or PBB, taxes value added or VAT. For this reason, you need to know the meaning of tax. Topic 2 is types of taxes. According to value, income tax is categorized as a central tax but viewed from its nature as a subject tax. According to law number 17 of 2000, which in Buhari's book, income tax is every additionally capability, economic benefit received or obtained by taxpayers from wherever they come from, uses for consumption or to increase tax wealth. Based on from this description, we can conclude that income tax is a very additional amount economic benefit received by taxpayers whether they originate from Indonesia or not, used for consumption or not. According to Richard, value-added tax include in tax group imposed on the consumption or certain goods or service in Indonesian customs area. According to Mr. Fajar, value-added tax is one of two types of tax regulated in the VAT law. Based on from this description, we can conclude that value-added tax is a tax including taxes on consumption or certain service is in customs areas and so on, also goods produced in the Indonesian customs are but not consumed or export are subject to tax but at 0%. According to Buhari, land and building tax is a tax imposed on immovable property. What is important is the object and by 3, 4, and condition or status of the person or body used as the subject is not the same important and thus not affect the amount of tax. According to Mr. Fajar, land tax and a building is the surface of the earth and the body of the earth beneath it and is a construction. Techniques that are planted are permanently attached to the ground and are water intended as a residence or place of business. Based on the description, we can conclude that land and building tax is of the type objective tax, which is material in nature which can be interpreted as meaning that it is not imposed. Looking at the ability or carrying capacity of the subject is still based on from objects that are objects of the United Nations. According to Dani Iskandar, et al., percentage tax or proportional tax is a tax imposition on an item which is calculated at a fixed percentage or of the receipts. Topic 3 is understanding subsidies. As we already know, with the subsidies provided government to the community will cause production cost to be incurred by producer to be lower than production cost before the existence or of or without subsidies. According to Dani Iskandar et al., the meaning of subsidies is a sentence provided government to producers so that the prices offered are in accordance with desirous government at a cheaper price than the original price. With a specific subsidy on a goods than the curve, the offer will shift parallel downwards with a smaller cut-off from the price axis, while the demand function's graph is not affected with subsidies. The supply functions before subsidies is the supply function after subsidies is the amount of subsidies provided by the government is. Next topic is market equilibrium. The equilibrium price or price equilibrium will occur when there is demand of demand meets offer or supply. The so-called equilibrium price is the price at which there is a balance in the quantity of goods purchased with the number of goods sold. Next topic is the effects of taxes on market equilibrium. Excess imposed on sales always add to the price of goods offered, so it only affects the bidding functions. Meanwhile, on the demand functions does not change at all. The supply functions before is P is V are key and function supply after taxing T per unit is P is V are key plus T. So market balance is by solving the supply equation functions before and after tax. Total taxes recovered by the government is the government's is tax X key in the after-tax balance. The tax borne by consumers is PT min PE X KT. Meanwhile, taxes are borne by producer is the total tax received by the government. Taxes that borne by the consumer. Okay, next sample question. Next topic is the effects of subsidies on market balance. Subsidies are assistance provided by the government, the producer of the product produced or marketed, so that the prices applied in the market is lower according to the government wishes and people's purchasing power increases. The supply functions after the subsidies is V. Q is P plus S or P is V Q min S. The market equilibrium before the subsidies is QD is QS or PD is PS. The after-tax market equilibrium is PD is PSS. Subsidies for consumer are. A simple question. Okay, thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.